warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you guys? Good. Okay. Today I would like to tell you about mind mapping. This is my mind mapping. Mind mapping is divided into 4 parts. The first part is about me, and the second part is about my family, and the third is my unforgettable moment, and the fourth is about my dream. And now I wanna tell you about me. My name is Vanessa Tila Prawira. You can call me Vanes, and I'm from Bogor. I'm 18 years old, and then I'm from impressive class, and I'm CTC 174. My hobbies are exercising, and then watching movies, and listening to music. My favorite food is fried chicken, and my favorite drink is cappuccino coffee, and then my favorite color is green. My favorite animal is cat, and my favorite animal are cat and rabbit. I have a cute cat. This is my cute cat. The name is Moja. The next part is about my family. There are 6 people in my family. There are my father. My father is a hard worker, and then my mother. This is my mother, and then she's a housewife, and then the first child. The first child is this is the first child. He is older brother. My older brother. He is 25 years old, and then the second child. The second child is my older sister. This is my older sister. She is 19 years old, and then the third child is my older brother again. He is 18 years old, same to me, and the fourth child is me. Next part is unforgettable moment. My unforgettable moment was when I come to Kampung English because it was my first time being far from my family, and then going alone. I felt so nervous, and I cannot talk clearly, and I worried, what if I miss the destination? The next part is my dream in the future. My dream in the future is a businessman. Businessman. because I want to have on business. I want to have a business, and then I want to be independent, and make my parents proud. That's it. And then I forget I have a twin. This is my twin. I was born maybe around 10 minutes, and then I was born. That's all from me. Oh, okay. Because the time is not over. I wanna tell you about my unforgettable moments. My unforgettable moments other is when I come to Dufan. It is so fun. It was so fun, and then at first time I ride the wahana, the game. I read the game. I'm so nervous and I'm so afraid. And then I'm so afraid. I'm afraid. Haggis. That's all from me. Thank you for listening to me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.